Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you I use this template. The size is Facebook post 940 times 788 for this design. So look like very simple. It's called healthcare center. It's one of the example. So first of all, just create a new blank page, then come to elements and then select the love, and then just scroll up the size and then put on the middle if you want to make a little bit more bigger. And then you also can change the color you like, so I choose the deep red color, and then just right click, duplicate one more. This heart I will make a little bit smaller, so I will choose the silver color to my this color. So sometimes the people will say, or maybe some user will say a little bit hard to find the color. So how do you can find the color? Actually, we searching about the element, we're searching about silver, for example silver metal. So we just click in on this page, then whatever the color we want to searching, we just come in here. Then the document color will show you this photo color as well, so you can select this recommended color for you. So for example, if I want to find something, the color is called gold. Okay, element will show me the related gold color, so I will just put over here, just click and put over here. Then I click the heart, and then I can choose the color. Here also we mention about it, photo color, so I can click whatever this silver color, change the gold color I want. This is the benefit if you know how to use it. Okay, this text I is using about this font. Called, I don't know how to spell, Ezar Semibon. And then I also change, sorry, not change, I come in here, the top bar here, spacing. I also adjusted the letter spacing and the line spacing, so the each of the alphabet will be have a space. Once I happy about this this color, so for example everything is okay for this color, I just come to share, download the file, and then I just choose the first page, this one, download. Then now what I want to do is going to the Photopea or Photopea. This is online tooth. We can remove the this background, because if you are the Canva free user, you are not entitled this benefit, transparent background and removable the BG in Canva. So I'm the free user, so if you are the same with me, so you have to use this one, this way. So before that, I can choose, just click over here, PSD templates, just choose the mockup you prefer it. So today I choose this one, 3D glass window logo, and then I just click this one, color changes. I think this one, just waiting a while. Okay, waiting a while. So now actually just coming here, your logo, we double click this one, double click, so he will show you this text over here. So now we have to put our photo here, but the photo is without make the transparency. So here we back to this and then we close it, this one. we click open from computer, click the file just now we download. Okay, so now we can come into select magic card. Oh, sorry about that, not magic card, sorry. Select, and then color range we can change to 5 for example. Click OK. Then now I can press the button delete. So here he helped me to delete the white color. So we zoom in to see every single letter also be removed, white color. Okay, once OK ready, we click the file, export as PNG. We click PNG, then this title we can change to 1 2 3. Press the button save. Then we going back here. This one, the text, we need to hide the eyes, and then we can come to the files, open and place. Just now we done for the removable 1 2 3. This one, the file name. Then we can come to the end corner here to make this picture be cover it. Once cover ready, just put on the center. You can show the center have a red color line. Okay, then we can come in here to tick. Okay, now we want going to files, save smart object. Once he come out, confirm. Okay, now his smart object updated. So now we come into here. Okay, so this is the outcome. So it's very nice. We can show to our client or our friends. So now if you're happy, just come to here and then export and PNG. Just click PNG, save it. Then we can try to see what is the result. Okay, the result is come out. Let's take a look. Okay, this is very nice. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video soon. Bye bye.